In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Jira. This is really helpful if English isn't your first language, or if you simply prefer working in another language to be more productive and comfortable. Let's start from your main Jira screen, where you usually see your projects and issues. First, look to the upper right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your initials or a small profile picture. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu related to your account, and this is where all your personal settings live. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Account Settings. It might also be called something very similar depending on your Jira version, but it will clearly reference your account. Click on Account Settings. This will open a new page or tab that takes you into your Atlassian account management area. Don't worry if it looks slightly different from what you're used to in Jira itself. This is the central place for your profile and preferences across Atlassian products. Once you're in the account management page, you'll see a number of sections related to your profile, security, and visibility. What we want to find here is account preferences. This is typically listed in the navigation menu or in a visible section on the page. Take a moment to locate account preferences, then click on it. This area controls how your Atlassian account behaves, including things like time zone, language, and other personal options. Inside the Account Preferences page, look for the setting labeled Language. This is the key option that determines the language displayed across your Atlassian tools, including Jira. Click on Language. You should now see a drop-down menu or a list of available languages supported by Atlassian. From here, choose the language you want to use. After you select it, Jira may refresh automatically, or you might be asked to confirm the change. Once it's updated, your Jira interface, menus, and many system messages will appear in the language you selected. If something doesn't update right away, try refreshing your browser or signing out and back in. And remember, this change is tied to your account, so it will follow you across browsers and devices as long as you're logged in with the same profile.